Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you Steam best settings for FPS boost and performance in 2022. So if you're having trouble with FPS or performance with your games, or maybe you have a low-end PC, this is how you can fix that and how you can get the most out of your PC. So the first thing that we can do is we can obviously go to the settings icon right here, right? We can go to properties from the game, right? It should be the game properties. And here, what we can do on the launch options, as you can see, you probably don't have anything, but I have a bunch of different commands here. And these commands are basically going to, give me the best FPS and, optimize my game a little bit better, right? And you can do this on each game, right? And yeah, this is what I would do. And I will copy this and paste this in the description, so you can copy and paste it as well in the launch options right here, right? So this is the first thing that I would do, whenever I'm, whenever I want to optimize the game and whenever I want the more FPS to my game. Now, the second thing that I would do is I would obviously go to Task Manager. I would go to, performance, and I would see what's taking up a lot of my memory, what's taking a lot of my CPU, and what's taking a lot of my GPU, internet, whatever it is, right? And I would go also to startup, and here I would go and disable each of those processes, right? Or I will go to processes, apps, and I would disable each of these apps. Now, usually Google Chrome is taking a lot of memory, a lot of sometimes, disk as well, CPU. This doesn't happen very often, but for me, I always go here, I always end this task because it's just taking up way too much memory. But yeah, you can go to startup, and here you can disable, each startup process that is taking a lot, from your computer. So these are the two things that I would do in order to boost FPS and optimize the performance. Now, there are a couple of different other tools that you can, or the fixes that you can have in order to, boost that and improve that game performance, right? Now, here's the website with 8 tips to increase FPS on Steam games for PC. It's an incredible website with great fixes. So this first fix I already showed you, right? But you have a lot of different fixes that you can implement and that you can implement on your PC, right? So definitely try out all of these fixes. And yeah, all of these fixes should be able to help you if those first two fixes are not helping you. And again, make sure, if after all of these fixes, you can't get a high FPS, that just means that your computer is low-end PC, right? And you can't really get the most out of it, right? So just, keep that in mind, because not a lot of people, think about that, but you can't make, your low-end PC, high-end PC just out of nowhere, right? So just keep that in mind. Again, I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I will link all the websites in the description and codes in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching.